Today, the A Collision with Purpose Project Spotlight is on Mr. Lloyd A. Vermont Sr. Mr. Vermont is a self-taught, dividend-centric and compound investor. He is a pro bono investment advisor to his extended family, friends, and acquaintances. Over a 40-year period, he has mentored up to 31 young investors, each of whom he gave their own stock market account. Let us welcome Mr. Vermont to the A Collision with Purpose Project under the Spotlight.
It's my pleasure. And I congratulate you. I think, Dr. Laxley, I should start by congratulating you and pursuing this question of people's purpose, because I think it's a very important area for all of us to explore. Thank you for having me on.
Mr. Lloyd, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the A Collision with Purpose Project under the Spotlight. You know, what are some of the signs pay attention to know when you're truly walking in your purpose, you're really executing your purpose? What are some of the things that you will signal, give you a signal? Maybe
I think one of the signals is that it consumes you. It totally consumes you. Morning, noon, and night. It is what you think about all day, because you see it as the route through which to make the difference that you want to make. You see it as fulfilling the purpose for which you are here, because you have long told yourself that you are here for a purpose. And so it consumes you, and you're always working at it. You want to do the best job you can for as many people that you can.
Indeed, huh?
Yes.
Deep neck.
Yes.
Is there enough discussion about purpose?
I don't think so. I don't think so. We have a lot of people, I suspect, just live from today to tomorrow and the next day until maybe they come to the end. But I believe it's a better way to believe that you have a purpose and to walk with that purpose, to live with that purpose. Whatever that purpose is, whatever is your belief, whatever is your view, I just believe that you should be, you and I and John Brown and Mary Jane, we should be follow, walk, and preach, practice. Don't just preach, but practice what we preach.